Okay, so I've got some breaking crypto news for you. Some of it you might have heard, but I'm going to put it all together for you here. And we're also going to take a look at the current state of the union of crypto. Bitcoin looking like it might be breaking out of a descending pattern. We're going to take a look at that as well and kind of all of the above. So if you're new to me, do two things. Hit that like button, please. Hit that subscribe button. I greatly appreciate it. So right now, crypto's up 4.7%. Hey, better than the alternative, right? We've got a lot of things playing out. I don't know if you saw this. This actually, I wasn't even going to talk about this video, but did you hear about this? BlackRock is launching its first tokenized fund called BIDL. And that's something that's building. I'll do a video on this later, but this is something I said this when BlackRock got into the Bitcoin ETF market. I said they're going to do more and they're going to be trying to take advantage of crypto as much as possible to make as much money as possible. That's what BlackRock does. So there you go. Okay. So more on that to follow later. Okay. So like I said, Bitcoin bouncing up, Ethereum 5.9, everything's up pretty good. BNB, Solana, XRP, Dogecoin, Avalanche, SHIB, nice gains. A few outliers like Ton, not doing anything right now, down a little bit and so forth. Okay. So here's something I wanted to share with you. I don't know if you've heard about this. So the SEC is now kind of sending signals that they're coming after Ethereum, right? All right. Well, and the SEC is moving to classify maybe Ethereum as a security. Did you know that this was a thing? And did you know that this was kind of gaining ground? The interesting thing about this is that the SEC and other, people in that position, if you will, have effectively said in the past that they don't consider Ethereum a security. Okay. So what do you think about this? I think that this is something, they basically lost the battle against XRP. Yes, I know it was a split decision. We all know that. But, here's what's interesting is I think that this is just the continued systemized attack by the SEC to continue to try to get government involvement more and more and more into crypto. Period. End of story. Okay. And I think that's what we're seeing, right? And I've said this in previous videos. That's not revolutionary in the context of kind of like, oh my God, Austin's never said that. It's one of those things where I think this is a new saga that's just going to continue to play out. And by the way, Ethereum's not even blinking. It's up 5% right there. It's not really something that people are worried about. I think that this could be the beginning of a very interesting saga drama that we're about to see kind of play out. Okay. So yeah, what do you think? I'd love to hear from you. I do consider this to be pretty big crypto news, but it's still early on. And so we'll see how it plays out. So here's what I wanted to share with you kind of on Bitcoin. You see this chart on Bitcoin. Basically, you see the two yellow lines in the upper right-hand corner, and you see how the Bitcoin price has actually jumped above that top line there. And so I'm hoping that this is the beginning of a little bit of a breakout here. Now, I've also said that in previous videos, let me see if this is the what I used for it. Yeah, okay, Rect Capital, that remember, we're entering into the quote danger zone, right? And that's in this upper right hand corner where I see this blue box. Then this they say this is an orange box. I think this is a tan box. And then the red box. We'll see the circle showing us entering into the danger zone, which is the tan box. And in that zone, we typically see Bitcoin retrace. And it historically has retraced about 20% in 2020 and 40%. So we could see a retrace between 20 and 40%. Now, with that said, Bitcoin's already retraced about 18%. Now, it's actually probably given some of that back. Let me see. Like if we do from here to basically there. Yeah, see, it's already kind of given some of that back. So from kind of our just recent peak about, I don't know, a week or so ago, well, I could tell you exactly on March 13th. Yeah, so about 7 days ago, 8 days ago, we're down only about, 11%. Whereas if you look right here, if you still kind of right here, our low has been about 18%. You can see that. Okay. So we've given back, we've gained back about, 6 points or so, right? Okay. So right now, as far as this kind of retrace scenarios playing out for Bitcoin, we're down about 11% approximately. Okay. And so we could be looking at a 20% move. So I wanted to just point out that we've bounced above that we bounced above that resistance level and in this descending pattern here. Okay. So I'm going to continue to watch this. And this is really what I'm talking about. This little area right here is what I'm talking about, right? That's what I'm really kind of pointing to and say, okay, we'll see how that plays out, right? Okay. So with that, if you're interested, remember, this is my software, momentum up to momentum down, 48 days, 75%. $1,000 in would have made you a profit of $751. If you want a piece of software, a tech that's easy to use, you can use it on your mobile. You can get alerts set basically an alert saying it's the right time to buy Bitcoin or sell Bitcoin or whatever it may be. Check it out. This is Shiba Inu. Look right here. It signified there, right there. That's a 234% up as an example. Okay. $1,000 in would have made you a profit of $2,345. Let me see. Not convinced. Solana in the last 185 days, right there is a buy alert all the way. Now, there's been other buy and sell alerts along the way, but the aggregate is 889%. $2,000 worth of Solana bought 185 days per my software. You would have made a profit of north of $17,000 off of a $2,000 buying and selling Solana, because that's what software does. Look, it's just buy. Let me show you this. Buy, sell, 200+%. Buy, sell, 417. Buy, sell, buy, all the way up. That's it. That's how it works. You get an alert, you buy or sell. Okay. Links in the description below if you want to check it out. It's at a 30-day, no questions asked refund guarantee. So you are completely protected. Take it for a test spin. You got nothing to lose. Okay. And there's a discount code that makes it about $1 a day. It's what it costs. This is the thank you page right here. Shows you everything you need to do to set up, and you're up and running in less than 10 minutes. There's literally like 7 videos that walk you through everything you need to do right there. It's all there for you. All right. I'll see you. Have a good day. Take care.